Hi guys, I'm here today. I want to show y'all a new tool that we picked up that we can use in our business to keep us from using so much gas equipment. We're going more battery for just small stuff. We picked up this chainsaw. It's a RYOBI 18V and it's the 10-inch. It's good for cutting the small limbs and stuff that you see in a yard or something small, not doing a lot. And the model number is P2502. Like I said, we're just using it to keep from fooling with a gas chainsaw for just small limbs and stuff like that we find in a property. Seems pretty lightweight. I haven't really got to use it yet, but I'm gonna put the battery in and then I'm gonna set y'all up. Like I said, we're just using the 4 amp hour battery. Well, that's that, guys. Seems like it's a pretty good saw. We'll see how it works out. It'll help us on them limbs like I was talking about. Keep them at the full with a gas chainsaw, how they're hard to start, and everything else. So we'll see how this works out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.